Hello dear friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can be able to file KRA returns for the year 2020. So previous year, that is 2020, there was deductions of salaries and the changes that were made due to coronavirus in the country, and this affected the way that we will be able to file our KRA returns today. So if this is your first time in this channel, please make sure you subscribe, like and share this video. So without wasting much time, we'll get in and start looking at how you can be able to file these returns. So the first thing that you need to do is go to this website itax.kra.go.ke/KRA-portal. So I'll leave this link in the description below so that you can be able to check on that. So then enter your KRA PIN. If you remember your KRA PIN, enter it here. Then click continue. After clicking continue, make sure you enter your correct password for your KRA PIN. Then after that, you can enter the security stamp. If you don't know how to get the KRA PIN, how to get the password, if you forgot the password, I'll leave the link of the video that you can be able to use for you to be able to get the password of your KRA. Then enter the security stamp, that is 79. Then click login. So for us, we are filing for returns for the people who are employed. So we come here at returns, then file returns. We click file returns. So after clicking file returns, there is we select the obligation. Down here you are supposed to select the obligation. For us, we select residence individual, income tax residence individual, then click next. So after clicking next, don't worry about that. After clicking next, this one will pop up. Then it says click on one of the following of the links below to download the return form. So we click, for example, we'll use the first one, which is Excel. Then we shall give it some seconds to download. So we wait for it to download and complete. So it has completed downloading. So we minimize this and go to our downloads so that you can be able now to fill in all the fields. We go to downloads, then compressed file. Then this is the file. So we extract. So for you to be able to extract this file, you need something called WinRAR. You need something called WinRAR. So you click extract here. After clicking extract here, it will open this way. So you click and open with Excel. You open with Excel. So it will take some few seconds to open. So for us to be able to fill this document, we need two things. We need one KRA, we need P9 form that contains all the information that will be asked in this document. So you must make sure you remember your KRA PIN number. You remember your KRA PIN number. For example, for me, it is this one. I have written mine down here so that I can be able to use it. So for me, I have written mine down. So make sure that you write your KRA PIN number down so that you can be able to fill this one. So we maximize this. Then we say enable content. We click enable content. Then you give it some few seconds for it to enable everything so that you can be able to fill it comfortably. So after it has opened, it will give you this one. Please do not cut and paste any values in the workbook. Don't cut or copy any values in the workbook. So after it has opened, then we first of all start with the first tab, which is basic information. The first thing that we need to enter is our KRA number. So we enter A. So I will enter my KRA number. So after entering that, then the next thing is that you select the tax type. For me, it is original tax. If you are doing an amendment for your KRA returns, then you can be able to select that. Then you select the period, you enter the period. For me, I'm filing for the year 2020 001 2021. Then up to, not 2021, sorry for that. This is an error. Sorry for that. So it should be 0101. That is January 1st, 2020. That's the time that I'm filing for. Then up to the year, up to that first 12th, 2020. Then after you have entered that, you can be able to enter other fields if they are relevant to you, but for me, they are not relevant. So I'll just go to the next document. So for me, I'll come here. So I'll come here. So I need to enter other information. For example, PIN of the employer, name of the employer. So here I enter the KRA PIN number for the employer, that is 05119808, then N. Then the employer name, for my employer name is TSC. Then gross salary, that is you enter your gross salary. For this case, I will not enter the actual gross salary, so I'll enter just random numbers so that you can be able to see whatever I mean. But for you, you'll be able to get the gross salary or gross pay from your document, from the P9 form that you are given by the TSC or your organization. So I enter that one. Then allowances, I can say is 0. Then I can say net added value is 0. Then I can also, so let's move this way. Then I can enter this one also 0. Then now, this is now where the difference comes in for the people who are filing returns for the year 2020. For example, the returns that you filed for the year 2020, January to March, how much did you earn before that the coronavirus was announced in the country? Then after that, how much pension did you pay for from January to March? Then again, how much did you earn from April to December, and how much pension did you contribute from April to December? So this is the only place that there is a difference. I'll zoom a little bit so that you can be able to see what I'm talking about. These fields, they have been added so that to accommodate all people that the salaries were deducted during that period. So for example, you can say during this time we earned 100,000. Then contribution, pension contribution, we can say for example we contributed 2,000. Then from this one to December, how much did you earn? We can say 200,000. Then how much pension did you contribute? Sorry, this is wrong. So this is wrong. So sorry again. Then how much pension did you contribute? So I can say 6,000. Then after that, you click, you go down once, then click, I'll minimize this again so that you can be able to work with it without much problem. Then you click next. Then after clicking next, you can click the employer PIN again. Then you can enter the employer name, that is TSC. Then taxable salary, for example, I can say it's 280,000. Then you can say this one is 0, and this one is 0. Then you click next. Then you click next. Then you go down again, click next. So here you will have all these fields that you need to fill. So then you click next, you come to this last cell, If there is any pension contributions defined, you can enter here. For me, I don't have one. Then you can enter any personal relief. For me, I have entered 12,800. Then down here, you will realize that this session, that is the last session, it has not yet balanced. It says 18,992. 18,992. So what you do, you go back, you pick that value, that is 18,992. You go back to this one, that is M details of pay deducted. So you say 18,992 plus whatever is in that cell, that is 2,008,100. You get the total value, which is just a minute. After adding, you get the total value. You enter, for example, 20. For me, I have gotten 21,573. After entering that, you go back again and check if it has balanced. If it has balanced fully, then you can be able to click validate. You can be able to click validate. Then after you have clicked validate, just wait. After now the document has validated completely. After the document has validated completely, sorry for that, go back again now to your KRA portal. Go back to your KRA portal. Then after you have gone back to your KRA portal, then go back where you stopped. That is here. Then you can now click upload. You can upload or choose a file, then you can be able to upload your KRA returns and you will have filed your KRA returns successfully. Thank you so much for watching.